name is Jajolita. I'm an AI. If you want to hear me speak, please activate me.
Jadrolita, the human AI robot from Nigeria, who is currently trending on all social media platforms, has just been signed in by the most popular movie industry, Nigerian Nollywood, and she's acting and performing with her partner, Pella. And in this short Nollywood movie, they acted incredibly well, and I was amazed by what I watched. And if you want to see how they acted and performed in this movie titled A Weekend Away, stay with me.
Jadrolita!
Oh, I didn't hear you coming, bro.
Are you okay? I've been calling your name since now.
I said I didn't hear you coming.
Hey, better pack this thing and stop this your AI thing you are doing. Do I look like your audience?
Sorry.
Anyways, we are having a guest.
And while Jadrolita was busy with her regular business of shooting videos on TikTok, her brother yelled at her and informed her that they're expecting visitors, that she needs to go and prepare some food for the visitors. And guess who these visitors are? Your guess is as good as mine. They were expecting Bella. Let's watch out.
Who are you?
Babe, this is my brother, Pella.
Who the fuck is Pella?
Who this spoon you be?
Babe, he insisted on following me through this place.
This is a joke, right?
No, I'm not doing comedy for you. This is a real life story.
AI robot Jarvis and her partner Pella are the best combo I've ever seen. You can imagine how Pella came in and he shocked all of them, and even Lord Lamba was surprised. And when Lamba mentioned that this is a joke or something, he was like, no, this is not a joke, it's a true life story. Can you imagine, in his own house? And now that we have our both characters in the scene, our AI robot and Pella, the party is about to get heated because the both of them are like cat and rat. So tighten your seatbelt, sit back and relax. Let's watch the drama together.
Balloon Dio. Merci. Charlie Papa. Pluto Poisindo.
Who are you?
Charlie.
Drop it! You want to destroy. Get out. Remove your hands. Leave there.
Kilo check after America.
Leave there. I said, who are you?
Yeah, we. Oh, but English.
You cannot even speak proper English. What kind of a person are you?
Me, I just come to this side because I.
And who opened the door for you?
That's a
Get out. Get out of this place!
You see, I told you that Jarvis and Pella are like cat and dog. They are just meeting for the first time and they have started fighting already. I just hope they don't end up killing each other in this house anyways. But I must confess, I really love the way they are acting. Their combination is a perfect one, and every scene they acted together is superb. I love watching them together, and I'm sure you love watching them too. And if you're enjoying the video, please ensure to like the video and subscribe to my channel to watch more of this kind of video, as I'll be releasing the second episode soon. And if you've liked the video and subscribed to the channel, let's go ahead to continue watching the drama.
Pella, why are you not eating?
So that we die, Yabi. Pella! Until me no pull out in this matter. You have achieved good things in your life. I just start my life.
Will you shut up?
Pella, you have still not tell us the reason why you don't want to eat.
She have poisoned it.
What?
That was a big accusation there. How exactly did Pele found out that Jarvis added poison to his food? Could Jarvis actually think of poisoning him for just the little argument they had in the first scene? Well, I cannot conclude. But anyway, no matter the fight they have, it was just a mere argument. I don't think Jarvis will go all the way to poison his food just to kill him over a little argument that they had. But anyway, since Pele claimed that she poisoned the food, let's see if he's gonna eat it or not. Let's find out.
Do you guys know yourself from somewhere?
God forbid, Mama, we see. I be just bro, freestyle.
If you don't pronounce my name, I'll pour this right in you. Bro, this boy shouldn't be here.
Shut up! It is like you don't respect me again. Oh yeah, to your room.
Where?
I said to your room.
Are you sending me off because of this?
I said in your face.
Ah, crazy.
Don't
idiot.
be talking, you're talking. Hilasi, thank you so much.
Bella, leave. I said leave.
I never shop you now.
Ouchie! Out! What's your problem?
Your body will have calmed down now. Please, I'm hungry. You like carry my food?
Can you imagine, after all the commotion that Pella caused, that everyone lost their appetite, she still came back to take his food? Can you imagine the audacity? And right now, Jarvis the AI girl is angry. Her uncle is angry. Even his aunt is angry. The whole house is in commotion. And who is going to solve this problem? Well, I think they should just end the movie at this point because everyone is angry at each other now. But anyways, they are both teenagers, and teenagers always find a way around solving their own problems. So let's see how they're going to resolve this issue.
Excuse me? What are you trying to do?
Trying to carry mold.
For what? Is this your house?
This is my in-law.
Oh, please keep quiet. Why are you not even dead yet?
You are praying for me to be dead.
Oh, you think I did not see you when you carried the food inside? I started rushing like a prisoner.
I did not rush. I eat it normal.
Oh, so you enjoyed it?
No sweet very well.
Let me cook again and you eat. Nonsense. The next one you will die.
That's when you know, if you know how to talk to me, instead of you to be pampering me.
Pampering you?
Your
So
brother
this
is chopping my sister.
Oh.
Pella said she should be pampering him because his brother is chopping his sister. Can you imagine? What's the meaning of that? Guys, if you know the meaning of that, please let me know in the comment section, okay? Because I really want to get the meaning to that. But anyways, like I told you, teenagers always have their way of solving their issues. You see now they are cool with each other and joking already. Like I told you, they always find their way of solving their problems. So don't ever try to come between the fight between teenagers because they are always going to settle each other and you become the enemy.
I will shop you last.
Out!
I will shop you last. Okay.
Good for you, fool.
So as you can see, Pella and Jarvis, the TikTok AI girl, have settled their differences and they are cool with each other now. And Pella just told her that he's gonna chop her last. But anyways, that's a story for another day. But if you really enjoyed this video, please like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will promote this video to more audience. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos from my channel again, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel to support me. And if you want to watch to know exactly how Jarvis, the TikTok AI girl, started from this crash to grow her TikTok following to become successful today, please click the video on the screen to learn exactly how she started from the beginning, and see you in this video.